Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earth Friendly Landscapes blog. So what you're going to see in this video is me painting and a voiceover. What I thought I would do is give you some updates about my business, my YouTube channel, etc. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So the one thing that I've been managing to do consistently on this YouTube channel is every Friday post either one long form video or a short form video. And I have a giant list of video ideas and videos that I've made, videos that are waiting to be made. And I'm confident that by the end of the year, I will have at least been able to post every Friday. Now, that being said, throughout the course of the year and the coming years, you are going to get here and there a bit of art content from me, because the reality is that starting a new YouTube channel directly and specifically about art is going to take a lot of time, and I can't effectively manage two YouTube channels. And since designing landscapes is my bread and butter, I don't want to lose my bread and butter. That being said, if you, shameless plug, know anyone that needs a landscape designer, you're more than welcome to refer me. Just putting that out there a bit. And that's one thing that I need to get better at, is promoting myself in terms of putting myself out there to say, hey, look, this is me, this is what I do. Anyway, so one of the things that I want to start doing is posting more short form videos, and doing so more than just once a week or here and there. If I could do it twice a week, maybe 3 times a week, to boost the algorithm of my YouTube channel, that would be great. Because one of my other goals is to be able to monetize this YouTube channel, and with which, whatever funds I generate, I can use to buy better equipment. I'm getting to the point of needing a new laptop, wanting better camera equipment. However, I don't want to really deplete my savings and dig into it unless it's absolutely necessary. So that's kind of somewhat of an update. I'm also on Patreon for anyone that wants to go and support me there. There will be a link in the description of every video, or the new coming videos. So yeah, that's kind of how things have been going. And thank you to all of you who have been here, who have watched my videos, and who have even made it this far to watch me paint some art. There are a few actually new projects that I'm going to be filming the install of, so that I can share with you. Some are really cool with really interesting features. And there's going to be more regular content. I'm going to be remaking a few videos, like 7 principles of landscape design, just a few videos where I have received feedback where I think remaking the video would be beneficial to my audience. And they're just going to be overall lots of fun on this YouTube channel. It's been quite an experience to make regular YouTube content. And it's an experience that has been a significant learning experience for me, and a very beautiful, enjoyable experience for me. I have really enjoyed getting to be here and share all of this with you. So thank you for being here.